Ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar. I welcome you all to India. No talk about the future, sustainability, or growth and development can be complete without energy. It impacts development at all levels, from individuals to nations. Friends, given our different realities, our pathways for energy transition are different. However, I firmly believe that our goals are the same. India is making great efforts in green growth and energy transition. India is the most populated nation and the fastest growing large economy in the world. Yet, we are moving strongly on our climate commitments. India has shown leadership in climate action. We achieved our non-fossil installed electric capacity target 9 years in advance.